In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Square Connector app in QuickBooks Online. If you're using QuickBooks Online to manage your books and Square to process payments, integrating the two can save you a ton of time by automatically syncing your sales data. Instead of manually transferring transactions, this connection does the heavy lifting for you. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive into the process step by step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to make changes, such as admin-level access. Without these, you may run into issues down the line. Next, ensure you have your Square login credentials handy. You'll need them later to complete the connection process. Once you're signed into QuickBooks, look to the left-hand navigation panel here. Click on the option labeled Accounting. This will take you to the accounting screen, where you'll manage integrations. On the accounting screen, locate and select Integration Transactions. This is where QuickBooks allows you to connect with external apps like Square. Now, find the Square connector from the list of available integrations. When you see it, click the Connect button. This is the first step in linking your Square account to QuickBooks Online. You'll now be prompted to sign in to your Square account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your credentials and log in. Once you've successfully signed in, confirm your identity and grant QuickBooks permission to access your Square data. This is an important step, as it ensures the two platforms can communicate securely and share information. Next, you'll be presented with information sharing prompts. Take a moment to review these carefully, then approve them to proceed. At this stage, you may also be asked to adjust your import settings. This allows you to customize how Square transactions are imported into QuickBooks so they align with your bookkeeping needs. Make any necessary changes here before moving forward. After that, complete the authentication process and finalize the connection. Once this is done, QuickBooks will begin syncing your Square data. Now, it's time to wait for the initial sync to complete. Keep in mind that this process can take some time, especially if there's a backlog of transactions to process. Be patient and let the system do its work. Once the sync is complete, monitor the transactions as they appear in QuickBooks, verify that they've been categorized correctly, and match your expectations. Finally, if you notice any transactions that need adjustments, review the connector options or your accounting settings. Make the necessary tweaks to ensure your books are accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully connected the Square Connector app to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.